So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication on your R6. So first, open Ubisoft Connect. So if you're wondering why do you need to open the Ubisoft Connect, because Ubisoft manages the authentication and security settings for your R6. Here's why. Ubisoft account controls R6 access because your account from R6 is tied to Ubisoft's authentication system. So any security like two-factor authentication must be changed through Ubisoft Connect. So first, after opening the Ubisoft Connect, you need to go to your account information. After clicking it, this will pop up on your screen. Select two-step verification. After selecting it, you will redirect to this page. And then, after seeing the two-step verification, you must click the Manage button. After clicking the Manage button, you have two options, whether it is email or authentication app. In this case, I showed authentication app and it's already activated, but if it's not yet activated, you must click the Add or Activate, and then you're all set. Your account on R6 is already has two-factor or 2FA authentication.